Hlw Beauties. Today I will do something different. Look at here, I have no makeup on my right side, but my left side is already with makeup. Do you have any idea what's going on? Yes, I know you already saw my thumbnail about reversed upside down eye makeup challenge. But no one challenged me, I just challenged myself. This is the dearest thing I will ever do. So please Nikkisis, pardon me if I do anything wrong. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and let's move to the main part. Okay, first step is to hide my eyebrows. For that I'm using this school glue. And now I'm applying this glue on my eyebrows in upward direction so that my eyebrows can stick well on my skin. Now I'm applying some loose powder to get rid of stickiness. Some extra powder should be removed. Okay, now I'm applying a little bit red lipstick on my eyebrows. Red lipstick is a substitute of orange character. I'm blending it with my fingertips. Again, setting this with some loose powder. Now applying some concealer over it. But I'm having problem with a sponge. Maybe I should use my fingertips. Okay, then let's play with fingertips. Yes, it's giving me more coverage. Do you know guys, always my family and friends said I have no eyebrows. But look at here, I'm having problem about hiding my eyebrows. It's foundation time. I will avoid my eyebrow area because I already concealed it with a concealer. Setting my whole base with a loose setting powder. Be very careful about setting eyebrow. Dusting off excess powder. Now I'm going to do the most difficult part. I have to draw my eyebrow hair in upside down direction. For that I need eyebrow pomade and angled brush. Taking a little bit brow pomade on brush and drawing a line very carefully. I don't know I will pass or fail, but if I fail then everything will be ruined. Well, I think I will pass. Yes, the outline is almost done. Intensifying the outline. Now filling up the shape. Now wiping off the excess liner and putting little strokes on fake eyebrow to get more natural look. I took little concealer on this flat brush and correcting the imperfections of the fake eyebrow. Oh my god, it's not less difficult to do. Taking this orangey shade and applying on my skin. I'm facing the same problem like Nikki tutorials. Though all the products are same, but there is huge differences in pigmentations on different surfaces. Now I will apply the red shade on fake eyelid. As my upper lash line will be acting like lower lash line, so I'm smudging the red shade on upper lash line. I will limit the color on the half of the lash line. Now I'm applying eyeliner. Oh, I forgot to apply glitter. Taking glitter on this flat brush and applying glitter on half of the fake eyelid. Applying highlighter on the remaining half of the upper lash line, highlighting the inner corner also. Okay, now I can apply eyeliner. I'm putting eyeliner on upside down direction as if it's my upper lash line. Applying false lash on lower lash line. Oh, it's very difficult for me. Applying little bit mascara. Applying some bronzer on my forehead. Contouring my nose. Highlighting under fake eyebrow and fake cheek. Highlighting base of the nose also. Applying some bronzer on my cheek. So finally I'm successful. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button, comment down your feedback and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, be safe. Allah Hafiz.